Hey guys, yeah, we're back and it's your trade of the day. And today it's going to be an exciting one for multiple reasons. One, we're still in part of this trade. And Fahad just asked me, we're still in about 15% of this one. And it's going to be Facebook and it's about a $7 winner. But that's not, what happens today is already finished with. But let's talk about some of the preparation. If you're just watching this for the first time, make sure you subscribe to watchlist.TraderTV.Live and find me on Twitter at TraderTVSean, where every day I'll post up a little something like this. Some ideas work. AMD felt like a reversal. AMD's huge today. But here's the Facebook. We really like the long. We just needed to get above 212 and stay there. Hopefully we can build some support. That's literally the notes. And why did we choose 212 as our long here? Well, it's not that much on the daily, but we did have 6 or 7 straight down days there for Facebook. And then we just were creeping above that 50 period. The 50 period on the daily chart was around 212. So we really like that level. When you're coming in here, this is the day so far, but back into here, 212 is this number. So if we bring this back, it's kind of like yesterday's high. We didn't quite get there, but we were looking to say, hey, if we took down yesterday's number, then hopefully we'd be able to continue the strength to the upside. We noted here, yesterday into the close, a nice rally, right? The market faded down. Then in the last couple minutes, a big rally back up on the imbalance number. So we're like, okay, we think there's going to be bids for Facebook today. Let's just make sure. All right, so we already have our plan. It's 212. But look at this. In the pre-market today, we actually noticed that this high coming right in here is about 211.50. So I was kind of like, okay, maybe we'll play with 211.50 if we wanted to get long. But off the open, the market tanked. We actually went down to 208.50, which is an unbelievable low. And again, that comes in, and if I would have noticed this, you can't see everything. And that's part of the problem. When you're data mining and you're looking at charts, you're like, oh, this, that, the other thing, it's easy to see that that was the bottom yesterday, right? But it respects it. Then as we start coming up, we take out VWAP, we take out the 50 period, and then I use this line right here. It's not the pre-market high, but it's kind of was where we got up to at between 9 and 9:30. The high in this area, besides that spike, was 211. So we definitely wanted to get 211 long. Unfortunately, it was like a starter position. I wish we put like a max position into here, because remember, even though we're hitting up there, it easily could have fallen back in. So we were uncertain sort of the direction here, but we know we wanted to get long, just not certain of when the right time was. But it breaks VWAP, it breaks the 50 period, and it breaks that pre-market high from 9 o'clock. So we're like, all right, let's go. And all of a sudden, honestly, this isn't the first minute. It goes up, we're in the money, 40 cents. Boom, we take out a piece. This is part of scalping, unfortunately. Comes back up, we get out that's 211. First out, 211.50. Then we come up to 212. Then we have 212.50. Then we have 213.50. And now we're letting this thing go because we're saying, all right, now we've broken out. You're not going to see anything on the daily chart. There's not much to look at. We were just thinking, okay, let's just go back up to the upside. Let's watch this NASDAQ run. And then I just started taking it off. Like I was thinking about right into here on the show when this was already going. So remember, we're long right now, 211. Current price, 218. So right now, we were debating getting out right into here. When this was sort of going back and forth, we knew in there that we kind of wanted it to settle down. There wasn't much happening. We wanted to let this go. We were well away from the 50 period, but we retested it right there. That was a spot where we could have gotten out at 215, but we only had 15% of the position, so we're trying to push it in, hold it, see what happens. All of a sudden, boom to the upside, and now it's just pure chop. But if you take this trade again, look at this. On the 50 period break, this is a 1-minute chart, okay? On the 50 period, we never breached that the whole way up until we get up there to 217.50. So today, Facebook definitely trending. The market's going to the upside. We broke above the 50 period. I like Facebook for a long, and it seems like we're cashing in right now. It might drop back below. Right now, I think we can honor this 217. If we break back down below there, hey, let's just take the $6 and get out of there. But Facebook respected that move upside, and there's the winner for the day. It's your trade of the day.